Welcome back again. Now in today's tutorial, let's see how we can easily draw this basic 2D drawing for beginners. Now if you look at the drawing carefully, let's try and analyze all the dimensions before we start. This circle is having a diameter of 53 shown here, so we'll be going step by step. So this is the diameter 53 showing here. Now if you look at this construction line on which these small circles are drawn, the radius is 43.5. okay, and then we have this outer circle with radius 48. So for us not to create confusion, let's start by drawing this diameter 53 and then we move step by step. So I'll take center diameter and click anywhere, okay, and then enter 53 for diameter. Now you zoom out. Okay, so the next thing you are going to do is you are going to draw this construction line over here, which is having a radius of 43.5. so just pick center radius, locate the center, enter 43.5. good. So we will leave it like this. You can change the color so that it will not confuse us. Let's use this color. Alright, now if you look at this carefully, you can see it's drawn at an angle. This small circle is drawn at an angle of 25 degrees. So I'll just pick a line command and click anywhere click in the center and then drag it. Make sure it's above this circle. Okay, now when it's like this, so just pick the line command, click on the center, make sure it's above, it's going beyond this circle, and now press tab to select the angle and then enter 25. So if you enter 25 to be at an angle of 25 degrees. Okay, now if you look at let's check the diameter of the circle. There are 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The diameter is 12. So pick center diameter, then here enter 12. Now we need to, there are 4 numbers, so we use the array command. So just come here, select polar array. Now select this circle, press enter, locate the center here. Now we need only 4, so just enter 4 and then you press enter. So automatically to give you the 4 number of geometry that you want. Now let's delete this line. Good. Now for us to continue, we have, I'll draw this let's draw this circle. There's a circle here, so that the center to center distance is 61.5 and the radius is 13. So just go to center radius, come here, don't click, just drag up, check the distance is 61.5, so just enter 61.5 and you press enter, and now the radius is 13.5, so enter 13.5. Alright, so there is it. Okay, so let's come down here and draw these 2 circles. Now if you check carefully, the center distance from the base here is 45. So 45, you use a line, straight line, 45, and then you go to this side, 48. Okay, so just pick a line, click here, come down 45, and then move to this side 48. This is just a helping line, construction line, to help us draw the circle. Now the radius of the circle is 15 as shown here, so center radius 15. Alright, now there's another one here that is from this side. It's the same circle. Okay, from the radius is the same, so we are going to move it, or we are going to copy from this end to this end. So if you add a 48 plus 45, it's giving us 93. So let's copy this one use the shortcut CO, press enter, and click anywhere and then drag to your right 93 and you press enter. Okay, so now I'm going to draw a straight line from this end to this end. So just pick the line command, click here and then join it to this one. Alright, now if you look carefully, there is a line, a circle here, outer circle, having a radius of 22.5. so let's draw that one. So just pick center radius, locate the center, then enter 22.5. I think it didn't work. Let's do it again. So pick the radius. Sorry, we chose the wrong thing. The radius is 48. This is the radius 48. So pick center radius, click here, enter 48. Alright, so that is it. That's a bigger circle. Now you can see there's a tangent arc attaching this and this, which is having a radius of 22.5. so we are going to use the tan radius to do that. So just come here, come to the circle command, come down, you see the tan radius. Now click this circle, click this one, and then enter the radius of 22.5. you see, so get attached to this one. Now we need to trim, so use the shortcut TR and then trim. Alright, so if you want to continue, we come here to, there's a radius of 6, but before that let's move this circle up. Also the same way, we need to add up 45 plus 49.5, which is giving us 94.5. so we move this circle up 94.5. so let's copy, select it, use the shortcut CO, press enter. Now select the base point, just click anywhere and then make sure it's straight, enter 94.5. good. So now we have it here. So let's continue with this radius of 6. So select your tan radius, click this circle, enter radius of 6, and you see it will be there. So let's trim by using the shortcut TR. good. Now if you watch, there's a line joining these two, so I'll just pick the line command, starts from the quadrant here and then join it to this one. Alright, so I can trim here, trim this side, and also there's a radius here 8, so pick, let's try the fillet to see if it will work. Fillet radius of 8, select this and this. Okay, so it worked. Let's trim here, we don't need this one. Alright, so let's come down here. Now if you come down here, you can see there's a radius of 9, and the same thing is up here, radius of 9. So let's draw this circle, sorry. So let's draw a circle with radius 9. So center radius 9. good. The same thing up there, 9. Alright, so from here we will trim, but before we trim, let's join this radius of 7.5 over here. So just go to tan radius, click here, and the distance, the radius is 7.5. good. So let's trim. Okay, now here too is 7.5, so let's do the same thing here. Tangent radius, click here, 7.5. so press enter. Now let's trim this side, let's trim all the unnecessary lines we don't need from our work. Let's trim this one as well. Okay, so I'll delete this line. I don't need it, just there to help us obtain what we want. And then I'll trim this side as well. Good. Even this one I can delete it because it was just a center line. That's helpless. If you want it, you can leave it. Okay, let me just leave it there and then make it a center line. So to make it a center line, I'll just go here. See, the center line is not there, so I'll just go to order, load, and then I'll look for center line. Center lines here. I'll pick this one, select it. Okay, so now select this one and then make it a center line. Correct. Now I'll trim this side. Good. Now the work is done, so I'll just increase the line width of the line, make this one smaller. Okay, so let's dimension the work and then our work will be complete. So to dimension, we will just pick the radius. So I'll create a layer. I always create layers for my dimension. Go to layer properties, new, give it a name. You can change the color if you want. Okay, and then I'll change the line width. I'll go to this one. Okay, now I'll make sure I select this one, the layer I created as a current layer. Now I'll go to, let's start with radius. We have a lot of radius here, so 15, 13.5, 6, 22.5, and then this one is 9, and we have this one 7.5. so our dimension, this one 48, and this 43.5. yeah, I think that's all for now. And then I'll go if you check, these are the radios that we have. Okay, these are the radios that we have. And 15. Okay, okay, it's done here. Let me add this one as well. Yeah, and even this. Okay, so I'll choose the diameter for this circle. I'll just use only one because all of them are the same. And now if you look at the drawing, it was dimension only 1, okay, but 4. So let me dimension this one as well. 53. Okay, now let's go to the vertical side. So I'll just pick the linear, and then from the center here to this place 45, linear again from the center here to this place 49.5. now dimension this side also. Eight. 45. Okay, now let's dimension from here to the top. Okay, and then the angle at which, so unless before we get the angle, let's draw a line through this so that we can get the angle. So come here, select angular and click. We even need to draw another line, so let's draw the line like this. Good. And then come here, pick angular, click this line and click this one, so we get the angle 25. Okay, yeah, I think that's all. Yeah, so this is what was expected of us, and we have nice and neatly done the work. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section below and I'll attend to it and answer. Thank you all for watching, and see you in my next tutorial.